Underlying each volcano lies a secondary smaller magma chamber, which in the case of Mount St. Helens, is located at a depth of 2.2 to 4.3 miles. Overlying this is a third small magma chamber at a depth of 2 miles, which is essentially a portable storage unit for molten rock when eruptions occur. The recent earthquakes, which have occurred at a sustained elevated rate for the last 3 months, have mainly originated at a depth of 2 to 6 kilometers below sea level. These quakes, while never being larger than a magnitude 2.4, represent the transportation of a new batch of magma from the deep magma reservoir into the magma transport system, which then reach the bottom half of the middle-depth magma chamber. The specific trigger of these quakes is caused by intruding magma pushing against adjacent harder rocks that are not magma, increasing the pressure on them and occasionally causing them to rupture. As a whole, the rate of earthquakes at Mount St. Helens is now the highest they have been since the middle stages of this volcano's last eruption during 2005. While new magma is building in an underlying magma chamber, you might be surprised to learn that historically episodes with these types of earthquakes have not strongly correlated towards volcanic eruptions soon after occurring. Taking a look at this earthquake chart, similar intensity earthquake swarms to what is currently ongoing occurred from 1988 to 1992. Similar earthquake swarms 1995 and 1997 to 1999, while less intense earthquake swarms at similar depths have recurred every 2 years since 2012, seemingly getting stronger each time. My analysis suggests that while this influx of magma does, in my opinion, suggest that Mount St. Helens has an increased change of erupting sometime in the next decade, the increased risk appears to be long-term, perhaps only representing a doubled chance when compared to background levels. What would be more concerning is if a similar number of earthquakes occurred at shallower than 2 kilometers depth, like what was witnessed before each of the recent eruptions at Mount St. Helens. Yet such an increase has not been witnessed in the last few months. And while elevated rates of earthquakes are still occurring at this volcano, this has not occurred alongside any increasing gas emissions, fumarole temperatures, or ground deformation. As a result, the alert level of Mount St. Helens still remains at green on October 31, 2023, with an eruption seeming to be quite unlikely in the short to mid-term future. However, because this represents the strongest volcanic unrest in 15 years, with similar intensity episodes occurring once every 9 years on average, I have added opinion-based scale Mount St. Helens to my 0 to 10 opinion-based volcanic unrest scale with a score of a mere 1.